While most may be familiar with Diamond's automotive racing heritage, what some may not know is that Diamond also offers two lines of high-performance diesel pistons, one being aluminum and one being steel. Starting with aluminum, Diamond has got the tried and true 2618 alloy. Everything is 3D milled, ultra-flat ring grooves. We've got optional hard anodized piston coating, moly Teflon skirt coating, and ceramic crown coating if needed. We offer everything from mild to wild, and it's been the staple of the high-performance diesel motorsports industry for years. With those making well north of 3,000 horsepower and trying to combust 180 psi boost, the only solution is to go steel. The rate of the industry and the way it's growing, the cylinder pressures and the heat and the temperatures are through the roof and are beyond what the normal aluminum alloys can handle. We offer a wide variety of in-house coatings for our aluminum pistons, of which we have our Type 3 hard anodized, our moly Teflon skirt coating, and our ceramic crown piston coating. Coatings for our steel piston include a manganese phosphate coating and an optional moly graphite skirt coating. Whether you're trying to make 1,000 horsepower or 5,000 horsepower, Diamond is your one-stop for all your high-performance piston needs.